going to tackle the hardest part next. Let's get my wrench in here. Hold back on the fitting while I try to take out that cut piece of nipple going into that fitting. Alright, let's see if I had my Wheaties this morning. Easy peasy, huh? Easy peasy. Get out. Come on. There we go. Now that it's loose, I don't need to hold back. Don't you hate it when they loosen up for you? All right. Now, next. Well, thanks for not soldering that in, folks. I'm not really working with a bunch of leverage here, but let's see what happens.